Comparing fraction statements, looking at fractions with the same denominator. We have learned about equality symbols. This one is showing greater than. So we can see 4/10 is greater than 2/10. We can remember that the larger opening of the arrow is on the larger value side, and it points towards the smaller value. Now we have less than. So 5/10 is less than 5/8. Remember, our arrow points to the smaller value. We also know equal to. This means both sides are the same value. So 5/10 is the same as 5/10. Let's look at comparing fraction statements using our equality symbols. Here we have a statement. We need to know which symbol to put where the question mark is to make it true. We know that 3/4 looks like this, and 2/4 is like this. If we add one more quarter, we can see that both sides of the statement are equal, so we can put the equal symbol to make it true. Next, we have 7/10 minus 3/10 on one side and 5/10 on the other. We can draw 7/10, and if we take away 3/10, we are left with 4/10. So 5/10 is larger. We need to put the less than symbol to make the statement true. Let's try another one. 7/8 looks like this. And on this side, we have 2/8, and if we add 4 more 8s, we get 6/8 altogether. So 7/8 is greater than 6/8. When comparing fraction statements, we evaluate both sides and then compare them. Here we have 12/10. Let's try to think of this one without the diagrams to help. We can imagine 13/10, and if we take away 3/10, we will be left with 10/10. So 12/10 is greater than 10/10. Now we have 3/12 plus another 12/12, which gives us 15/12 altogether. So this is less than 16/12. Understanding how to evaluate a fraction statement and drawing a diagram to help if we need to decide the value of the statement is important for working with fraction statements and understanding them.